He's got a right-wing beard.
John Voight is another.
He's just right-wing weird.
His daughter's pretty hot, though.
At one time, Brian, at one time.
Oh, it's lovely that.
By Obama and his crew.
Careful, Lois. Now you're sounding like a Jew, boy.
We dream of Republican town, where Clinton is viewed as a crazy commie clown.
A place where America's growing free and strong.
'Cause when you come down to it, this is where.
Like slapping each other out though.
Well, I gotta tell you, I'm not buying any of this crap. Rush, we want our dog back.
Whoa, hang on, Lois. What are you saying? I don't have a mind of my own? That's insulting.
Looking inside its mouth.
I don't like the way you've been talking to Rush this evening. You know, I thought you were my friends. But if you can't accept me now that we disagree about certain things, then maybe you aren't the friends I thought you were. I'm moving out.
What?
No!
Again?
I'm gonna go stay with Rush Limbaugh. Right, Rush? Huh? I'm gonna stay with you. Yeah, sure. That's fine.
Ooh, this is a bad idea. But I guess sometimes Fox has bad ideas, huh? Let's all just sit here for a moment and remember that this was a thing.
Morning, Rush. Hey, thanks again for letting me stay here.
That's not really any trouble, Brian. What do you figure? Just a few days?
Oh, man, who knows? Just so good to be out of there.